So I'm thinking at the moment how men are used by nature to fulfill a purpose to make more people in the world. And so lust is implanted into men, and men pursue women avidly. It's pretty much the main thing in a man's life, to hook up with a woman and produce children. So nature made it this way. And I fulfilled my part, I played my part in this manipulation. But part of me is not happy with being controlled in this way. I have a lot more thinking to do, but it is strange how life is just about living, growing up, and then making more children. This eternal progression. I think I do have an issue with the way nature has manipulated me. I don't feel I've controlled my life properly. It is strange.